The woman accused of being the Wellington killer clown will not be released from jail, according to a new judicial order. Sheila Keene Warren's lawyers filed motions asking for her release and for the judge to sanction the state after what the defense called willful misconduct. Investigative reporter Terry Parker first broke the story about the state finding a clown sighting file it insisted was lost for 3 years. She joins us now. And Terry, why is that important now?
The discovery of that file, Tiffany, caused the trial to be delayed and kicked off these defense motions asking for Sheila Keene Warren's release and for sanctions against the state. But the judge has denied them.
Despite Judge Scott Suskauer's irritation with prosecutors over losing and then on the eve of trial finding what could be critical evidence to Sheila Keene Warren's defense.
How is it possible then that the sheriffs didn't see that file? Right? It's ridiculous.
He has just ruled Keene Warren must stay behind bars despite her already being there for 5 long years. Writing, while the court is cognizant of the delays in this case, especially the most recent delays attributable to the state, defendant's pending motion to set conditions of pretrial release is denied. Suskauer saying the same reasons he originally denied bond are still in place, that prosecutors have enough evidence to convince a jury to convict Keene Warren of dressing up like a clown and shooting her romantic rival Maureen to death 32 years ago, and that Keene Warren has enough money to flee if released. Keene Warren's lawyers say it's all circumstantial, and now they are pouring through the just found clown sighting file from 1990, which they say contains 40 credible leads of other people dressed up like a clown around the time of the murder. Just one more instance, they say, of the state refusing to hand over evidence that might help Keene Warren.
At some point, it's not negligent, it's willful, and that's the argument we made. You can only make a mistake so many times.
Suskauer also denied Greg Rosenfeld's motion to sanction prosecutor Reed Scott for the alleged misconduct, writing that he did not find it to be willful.
So Keene Warren stays behind bars. There is no new trial date yet as the defense goes through those possible leads to other clown sightings on the day 32 years ago. She is accused of committing murder. Terry Parker, WPBF 25 News.